Good morning, friends. This is the much awaited video on trading mindset and money management. And the reason I'm making this video is that every day you are given some silly strategies about where the market opens. If the market goes up, no matter where it opens, you will make money. The issue is that people are led into believing that the strategy is the most important thing, and what to do after that is not as important. What I want to prove to you here is that every day I put up 15-second video which tells you buy above X and sell below Y, or you buy the gap down. That is enough strategy. What is the secret or the key to making money? The key to making money is what happens after you get into the trade, or how you think about it. So let's start with the money management part of it. First of all, decide what kind of money you are going to put in this business. Let's say it is 20 lakh. So in my view, you should not have at any point in time a stake more than 3 lakh. Keep the rest of the 17 lakh in your bank account. Use 3 lakh for trading. Number one. Number two, use maximum of 15% of that amount as a risk for each trade. So 15% of 3 lakh is basically 45,000. Okay. When you double that stake, say your 3 lakh became 6 lakh, take out the 3 lakh and trade again with the leftover 3 lakh. Once you make uh, you know another 3 lakh and your money is out, then you can increase your position. So your money is out of the business. Now you are playing with market's money. So 3 lakh became 6 lakh. The 3 lakh you took out. Okay. Now when you make another 3 lakh, you can increase your position. Increase position size with market's money. Also construct profitable days. Often, sometimes what people do is they take one trade and that is the trade they are going to take. Instead of that, if you are particularly dealing with options, construct profitable days. So you did one trade profitable, next day trade maybe a loser, a third trade profitable. So you have several smaller trades, but it makes for a nice profitable day. Don't just bet on one big profit, particularly on options where on a lot of days things uh, take multiple turns. Option, remember, is not equity. Okay. So option is basically momentum. You buy when the market shows momentum in a direction, and you sell when while that momentum is still on. Let's take the example of yesterday. Bank Nifty, if you see here, early morning gave you signs of momentum. A big green bar is momentum. Paused, again momentum. So if you got in somewhere here, this momentum took you up. Again, post the SBI result, again you have momentum. Once this big green bar was crossed, you enter, and all you had to do was carry. So option will give you the feeling around this area, the flattish area, that it is losing money. But basically you have to enter the option once it shows you momentum. Okay. So this is the key to option, that you recognize what is happening and press on the gas. Now, day before we had carried 15,000 puts home, and as you know, when the market opened, we were at a loss of 2.5 lakh. Immediately I saw that the market is breaking on the upside. We cut that position and took up bank nifty positions, covered that 2.5 lakh and made an extra 4.6 lakh. So it takes me less than 5 seconds to take the reverse position. I am comfortable with that. I don't beat myself up that, I said this and that happened, I did this and that happened. If the market is reversing on you, just reverse. Every day I hear YouTube videos, हमने ऐसा कहा था, हमने ये कहा था, ऐसा ही हो गया. So क्या बड़ी बात है, हो गया. Show me how much money you made. In this, हमने कहा था, this nonsense does not allow people to make money. Often what is happening is that your average retailer thinks technical analysis is the end. It is not the end. Making money is the end. I mean, your analysis can be totally wrong, but if you figured out that you are wrong and you took corrective steps, that's fine. Okay. You would not believe, on Friday last, I again took home puts. On Monday, when we opened, this Monday 17th, let me show you. This was the day, 17th, Monday, when we opened, I was down 5 lakh. But by the time I ended, I was up, I think, maybe 13 to 14 lakh. So it's okay till I make money by the end of the day. So de-emphasize your technical analysis bit. That is only used to develop a hunch. Hunch means that 60-70% you will be correct, 30-40% you take corrective action. If you freeze like a deer in the headlights, you will not be able to take corrective steps, and often on days when you are wrong are the biggest moves. Okay. Yesterday I said above 15,000 you buy, below 15,000 you sell. And in the first 5 minutes, it was clear that the market was going to stay above 15,000. That is all the analysis you needed. After that, you had to press on the gas. So what I did was, I took my average bank nifty options position, plus I added 50% to it. So once I saw price action was conducive for me, I added. Every time you are wrong, just move on. Do not brood. Do not start crying. We are not sitting in a bloody UPSC exam or CBSE exam where we have to be right. This business is about making money, not about being right. And the retailer, in their enthusiasm to be right, are not able to hear what the market is saying. Again, like I showed, couple of times I reversed my position, and those were my biggest days. So do not hesitate to reverse. Weekly option. A lot of people who are being ill advised think weekly option should be held for 5 days. No, sir, it should not be. For me, weekly options is a future. If it immediately starts to show momentum in my direction, I am a holder. Otherwise, I will fold. Maximum I will carry for one odd day, but weekly option, if it starts to go against you for 4 to 500 points, it will not come back. There is no perfection in trading. We would have loved to say that मैंने ऐसा कहा और ऐसा ही हुआ और मैं रोज ऐसा ही कहता हूं और रोज ऐसा ही होता है. This is humbug, rubbish, nonsense being palmed off to you to sell you a seminar or to sell you a service. I am telling you a fact. I am wrong 10 times a week and we can still make money. Use system targets. Why? Because if you don't have a system target and the option moves in your direction, you will keep thinking that let it move a bit more, let it move a bit more. If you have a system target and it shows you momentum in your direction, you will get out at one price. The other issue is that the moment the momentum is lost, the option loses fairly heavily. The other issue is liquidity. Bank Nifty options, etc., are not very liquid. So if you have a system target, you are able to get out at a pre-decided profit. Do not wrestle with the market, which means if the market is telling you you are wrong, don't keep increasing your stop losses. Agree you are wrong, cut your position, take the other side. Always save your wicket, which means save your capital. Take all actions which save your capital. You can change your position 50 times, but as long as you came out without hurting, you've done your job. That is your job, period. Like any batsman, if he misses the ball, that's fine. He can play the next ball as long as his wicket is safe. The biggest deal is, I've often seen people, I will not carry. Why? Because, something may happen overnight. Dow Jones may fall. Yes, it may fall. So, yes, you may lose money tomorrow morning. But if you have the confidence to make back any amount of money, you will be getting gaps in your favor also. This year, I have got gaps in my favor where my position has opened, 15 lakh in the money. Scared trader will never win big. Scared trader will keep making his 15,000 and 20,000 rupee profits, and he will never make a strong difference to his life. So these are the things I think are useful. Stop obsessing over how to draw a trend line and which moving average to use. Yes, you should have a method, a simple method. Use 10 and 20 period averages. If the price is closing above them from a consolidation, that is your buy signal. That is enough. Keep a margin of being wrong. If you are wrong, take your hit, move on. This is the message I want to give, because the way these YouTube quote unquote advisors, most of them non-registered, are taking you is not the right way. They don't make money themselves. They will not let you also make money. So that should be it for this small video. I hope this clears out some confusion, because otherwise you can keep looking at YouTube videos 10 hours a day and there will be no difference to your trading. Okay. I mean, don't become a PhD of price action. Okay. Just develop a few hunches, see what the market is doing. If you know your basic W pattern, M pattern, and N pattern, it's enough. Okay. The seminars need to spend 2 days trying to tell you what exactly you should do. In my opinion, you need two moving averages, plus you need a pivot system, and that is enough. Rest of it is mindset and money management. It's about how big you are when you win and how small you are when you lose. I didn't say it, it was said by George Soros. So take care and have a good weekend.